Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. Just chilling out here. I'm not at the old neighborhood, but I'm actually sitting in a park here. I hardly come to sit in parks. It's kind of nice. I found some shade, and I figure I'd do a video. I'm watching some kids here playing in the playground and stuff, and sometimes we talk about money on this channel and investing, and so I wanted to give out the message on how important it is to start young. you know um, you know there's a couple of millennials at my place, at my gig, and I talk to them, and none of them are into any financially related stuff. They just, you could tell, live for today, live in the moment. And I was talking to one guy, very young, more than half my age, and I told him, don't wait. We were talking about TD Ameritrade. We were talking about options. He was asking me about options, and I told him, don't wait. You're so young. You have the most important thing on your side. You're so young. And and I told him this before, and what it looks like, it went in one ear and out the other. It's like, oh, that's a cool idea, but do they really do it? He hasn't yet. And even though you have to keep it all relative, and you have to try no matter what age you are, the good thing for us that are not millennials, let's say, we're living longer now. The average lifespan for a woman is 81, man is 79. And now with biohacking and stuff, people may be living longer. I even heard there's a new book out about biohacking that people in the future, down the road, could live to be to 180. I think we have people now 120. So we're living longer. So if we're living longer, there's no excuse for anyone not to get savvy about their financial situation. All right, there's really no excuse for that. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. You have to keep everything relative and start young. It's good to be young. I just came from a chiropractic adjustment, so they say it takes a couple of hours to set in. I was maybe going to do some push-ups and stuff here. There's a bench and stuff here, but you can't work out till a couple of hours afterwards. You can't, it's not advisable to do anything after that. It usually sets in within a couple of hours. So I'm just here chilling out, enjoying the shade, and just thought I'd talk to you about the importance of staying young, of starting young, staying young. Yeah, I guess with biohacking, you could try and stay young. I use a little bit of biohacking stuff. I'll probably go home and meditate now on the Muse machine, which I did a review on. You can look for it in my videos. I did a review on the Muse. So yeah, the importance of staying young, my friends. These trees are still standing. I wonder how old these trees are here. We don't have that many humongous trees out in NYC, but we have some. So I walk around here in a park in Brooklyn. So start young. You can still have fun and stuff, but you have to start young to have more of the odds on your side. Remember, everything, my lottery systems, everything is all about putting the odds on your side. All right. So yeah, just chilling out over here. Nice little park here. I've never been in it. It's near where I am. I've never been in it. Here's some kind of war monument. Some kind of war monument here. POW flag up there. POW MIA flag up there along with the American flag. So yeah. So yeah, start young. I see these youngsters here. Start young, getting savvy. Really do it, you know. Don't get caught up in life. You know, don't get caught up. You know. Really, really do that as a like part of you. All right. So that's about it. The importance of starting young. All right. I'll see you guys, God willing, at 180. Who knows what we'll be broadcasting on by then. I'm sure it won't be YouTube. It'll be something else. 180. 180 years old. Maybe I'll see you guys then and be saying, see, it was all relative. I'm still here. So you guys have even more time than you think you have. Anyway, this is Rafe West. All right, you guys have a good one. Please subscribe and hit a like if you like this. Let me know what you guys want to hear about, what challenges you're having. I see myself as a person that has good insight and feedback on things. So let me know, all right? This is Rafe West. Take care, everybody. Peace.